The WaveShuttle system is a complete solution for wave solder machine setup and verification. All key process parameters are captured in a single pass through your wave soldering machine. Solderstar fixtures are available in a number of standard sizes or can be produced to match the exact dimensions of your soldering lines. Titanium side rails are fitted to maximize the life of the fixtures. Preheat performance is accurately measured by sensors fitted to the left and right sides of the fixture. Titanium contact sensors are installed to the bottom side of the fixture, allowing wave height and contact times to be measured with massively improved accuracy compared with thermocouple-based systems. A solder pot sensor provides verification of your solder temperatures, and a rear contact sensor allows conveyor speeds to be easily verified. The Solderstar Pro is a truly flexible instrument, offering the most comprehensive range of thermal profiling solutions. The system can be upgraded as your requirements change, helping you keep complete control of all your solder processes on site. Solderstar instruments are helping engineers all around the globe and are in use by many of the electronic industry's leading names. Our solutions are available through our chain of knowledgeable sales partners who can help with process questions and technical support, plus offer calibration and service locally. To request a demonstration or further information about Solderstar products, please contact one of our regional offices or visit solderstar.com.